Hey guys, I am Surbhi and welcome back to my channel Food in My Aura. Today I will share with you how to make eggless kurtosh kalach. Kurtosh kalach is commonly known as chimney cake. It is originally a popular Hungarian street snack. In simple words, it is a sweet bread. But what makes it the most delicious dessert is the soft fluffy inside and a perfect crisp exterior. So let's start making it. First we will proof yeast. For this take a bowl, add about 3 tablespoons of lukewarm milk, half tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of dry yeast to it. Give it a little stir. Cover and let it stand for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it has risen up so well. Such a foamy mixture it is. It's now ready to be used. Now we will knead the dough for kurtosh kalach. Take 1.5 cups of plain flour. Add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. 1/4 cup of melted butter. Add activated yeast. Add 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Knead the dough using milk. I have taken about half cup of milk in total, out of which 3 tablespoons was used in activating yeast. Add a little water at a time and try to gather everything together. Keep on kneading. This would be very sticky initially, but as you keep on kneading, you would find it getting better. It took me about 12 to 15 minutes to get the dough done. Then cover and let it rest for about an hour. Now let's prepare DIY kurtosh molds. Take 2 empty rolls of foil, cut them into halves and wrap foil paper over them like this. After an hour, the dough has also risen well. Divide it into 4 portions and shape them into balls. Dust some flour over countertop. Roll each ball into a circle that's about 5 mm thick. Now cut it like this to make a long ribbon or strip out of it. Now wrap it around the mold, press one end at the beginning to stick it well. Then rotate it around the tube like this, covering the tube in such a way that one layer slightly overlaps the previous layer. Press at another end to seal it. And then gently roll it over countertop, pressing the dough together a little. Similarly, make rest of chimney cakes. Now brush some melted butter over these. Spread some granulated sugar in a plate and roll these in it. While baking, the sugar will caramelize and give a crispy crunch in every bite. Place these onto a baking tray and put them in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Make sure to pause in between and turn it once or twice. I will show you a no oven method as well to bake these. Put a large wok or pan on heat and spread some salt in it. Put a ring, cover with a lid and keep it over high flame for 10 minutes. This is preheat process. Now put the chimney cakes onto a baking tray and put them in this. Cover and cook for about 30 minutes over medium flame or till they turn golden and crisp on the outside. When these are baked, cool a little and then slide them off the molds to create a hollow cylinder. And our chimney cakes are ready. You can enjoy these as it is. I will share with you some topping suggestion. Let's make them little fancy. Dip one end of chimney cake in a bowl of melted chocolate and drizzle some colored sprinkles. Alternatively, you can drizzle some chopped almonds or nuts of your choice. You can even unwind it to form a helix or spring-like shape which is so appealing to kids. Enjoy these freshly baked, super delicious eggless chimney cakes, and these are really irresistible. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you.